Neslemy Anti Snoring Device is marketed as a simple solution that supposedly stops snoring, improves sleep quality, and helps users wake up feeling refreshed. But the real question is, does it even work, or is it another sleep gadget with exaggerated claims? Now, to be fair, some anti-snoring devices can genuinely help certain people. Products that reposition the jaw, support nasal airflow, or reduce airway obstruction may reduce snoring in specific cases. What it does well may reduce snoring for some users. If the device helps improve airflow or airway positioning, it could decrease snoring intensity. Easy to use. Most anti-snoring devices are designed to be simple and require little setup. Where the hype falls apart, it will not work for every type of snoring. This is the biggest issue. Snoring can be caused by many factors, including nasal congestion, anatomy, obesity, alcohol use, and sleep apnea. It is not a cure for sleep apnea. If snoring is linked to obstructive sleep apnea, a simple anti-snoring gadget is unlikely to solve the underlying problem. Results vary significantly between individuals. Some users notice improvement, while others experience little to no change. So, does a Neslemy anti-snoring device actually work? Short answer: it may help reduce snoring for some people, but there is no guarantee it will work for everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.